This is a doorstop. One of those kick doorstops, you know, you just kick down. You know, this is how it's mounted on the back of the door, right? Like that. But as the door's shutting, this thing is loose. And that after a while, it kind of moves and then just plops down. And this is, you don't want that. You want the doorstop, kickstop to stay up until you kick it down. You don't want it to just, you know, after a while get so loose and then fall down on its own. So what I noticed is, you see this plate right there? That plate? Yeah, right there. When the doorstop is up, if you notice, see that little ridge right there? That ridge goes up against this plate and it holds it in place. But what's happening is, if you look at that ridge again, it's worn down quite a bit. So when it goes up, it's loose already. And then just the door opening and closing a number of times, it moves it a bit, and then eventually it just plops down. So what I'm going to do is put something in behind that plate, because I notice, I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of play in there. It moves a lot. So if I can put something behind there and make it stiffer, so when this thing comes up, it'll really hold against there. There won't be that much play. So I'm going to find some material, cut it out, and then place it on top of this piece. And you see these little pieces of metal there, and there. They'll hold it in place just like you're holding that in place. So I'm thinking of maybe a thin piece of cardboard. If I can't find that, think of something else. But right now I'm going to go look in my garage for something that I could use. Okay, so actually I found something that might work better than cardboard. This is plastic. It's like a plastic mat we had. And so I'm just going to, and it's pliable. So I'm just going to cut a little piece and put it behind there. It's a squishy, so it should allow this thing to come up pretty easily. And we'll see if that works. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of measure that rectangle area. And it looks like it's like 7/8 of an inch long by 3/8 inches wide. So I'm going to cut something that big. Okay, so I measured 3/8 by 7/8, and you can see that's what I got. And now I'm just going to cut that out. Okay, you can see it. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty accurate. So now I'm just going to kind of bend it like this, if you can see. You can slide it under one end and then turn it around. Now lift it up, slide it under that end, put it underneath. Okay, all right. And you can't see that, but it's nice and firmly underneath. So, all right, yeah, I could, oh, this is, okay, that's up. All right, now I'm gonna go put it on the door. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's see how well this holds. Make sure I can lift it up. All right, that looks good. Come down. All right, okay, and now let's push the door open a couple of times, see if it moves. Staying put, not moving. I'd say that's a success. Thank you for watching.